guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious carnitas with a side of tomatillo salsa. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of pork loin, 16 ounces of lard, 1 cup of evaporated milk, a half a cup of room temperature Coke, 1 orange, a half of a white onion, 4 garlic cloves, an herb blend that consists of fresh rosemary, sage, and thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 can of tomatillos, 1 jalapeño, 4 chile serranos, 1 bunch of cilantros, 2 garlic cloves and 1/4 of a white onion, black pepper, salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by cutting our pork loin into big chunks. So I'm just gonna cut half of that. They'll be in big chunks. And you don't want to remove the fat. So now let's go preheat our pot. So I'm just going to turn it on medium-high heat. And then we're going to add the lard and wait for it to dissolve. So once the lard is hot enough, we're going to add our garlic cloves, our onion, and the pieces of meat. So make sure you move them around so that they don't stick to your pot. And we're gonna leave them in here until they turn golden brown for about 8 to 10 minutes. So make sure you're moving them occasionally, okay? Make sure that all your meat is covered with the lard. So now we're just going to take out the onion and the garlic cloves. And we're going to lower down the heat to low heat. So just go look for your garlic cloves so we can take them out. Got one there. And then place your meats. Okay, so now we are ready to move on. Alright guys, so once we have lowered down the heat, we're going to add our evaporated milk, our Coke. We're going to squeeze the whole orange. We're going to get the juices out and then throw the orange in there. Just make sure you wash it before, you know. Just throw it in there. We're going to add our 2 bay leaves and then our herbs, our fresh herbs. And then of course, your salt and pepper. And it's a weird combination, but don't worry you guys, this is seriously what's gonna give your carnitas all the flavor. Sorry. So now, give it a quick mix. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna let it cook for about 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes, so I'm going to move my meat around so that it don't get burned or stick to my pan. Okay, so now we're just gonna let it cook, and we'll be back in another 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been an hour since we started cooking our meat, and this is what it should look like. We're just gonna leave it for another hour, and then just make sure that you move it around so like that we don't burn our meat. Alrighty guys, so after 30 minutes, we're going to flip them over because you can see they're already starting to turn brown. So we're going to flip them over so the other side can get brown as well. So just do it to all your carnitas. Okay. So 30 more minutes, and then we'll be able to take out our carnitas. Alright guys, so it's been 2 hours, and this is what our meat looks like. It is done by now, so we're just going to turn it off, and we're going to remove the oranges and our herbs. And then like that, we're going to take out the meat and transfer it to a bowl. And as you can see, our meat is already super tender. It should be very easy to fall apart. Okay, so that's our meat. So now we're just gonna let it cool down for about 5 minutes, and meanwhile we can start working on our salsa. Alright guys, so here I have a small saucepan. We're gonna set it to high heat, and we're going to boil our onion, jalapeño, and chile serranos. So we're just gonna let that come to a boil, and we're going to drain our tomatillos. Alright, so here I drain my tomatillos. Now you guys, if you guys can't find this, you know, the tomatillos in a can, you can always just boil the about 14 tomatillos with the chiles, and it will be just the same. Alright, so after 5 minutes, our chiles and onions should be done. So we're just going to take them out and transfer them to the blender. And then we're going to add the tomatillos. That's just the water from the tomatillos, because I had already drained them. And then our 2 garlic cloves, the 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and that's just gonna help us with the tomatillos, take a little bit of the bitterness, and some salt. And of course the salt's gonna be to your taste. And now we're just going to blend that until we have our salsa. Alright, so our salsa is ready. And now all we have to do is shred our meat, and then we'll be ready to serve our tacos. Alright guys, so once we have it all shredded, we can start prepping our tacos. Not the fun part. Okay, so now we have our little tortillas here. Add our meat. We're going to add some cilantro and onion. Because what is a taco without cilantro and onion? And of course, our delicious salsa. And a little bit of lime juice. Now for the best part, the taste test. Ready? Cheers. Are you ready? Big bite. Good? Seriously, the best carnitas ever. Ready to go sit down and enjoy it? Let's go. Alright guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious carnitas with the tomatillo salsa. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And in the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite kind of tacos. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel.